Now, your local Storm Tracker 2 forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. 5:14 right now, and we are taking a look at the mobile storm tracker to start off our Monday morning. You may think, oh, since it's the start of the week, that maybe we'll be seeing a little bit lighter of snowfall now that the weekend is over. Not quite the case. We got 5 inches overnight. That was our 6-hour snowfall total, so between about I'd say just past midnight and then continuing on now into your 5 o'clock hour. 5 inches of additional snow. And how much do we expect between now and your Wednesday? Well, we could be seeing up to an additional 9 inches in Spokane. So watches and warnings in effect right now. We've got a winter storm watch that is over much of the region, winter weather advisory down toward south central Washington, and a winter storm warning over the Cascades. That includes Snoqualmie Pass and pushing over towards central Washington. So really, the good news is in the Spokane area, we're not looking at any strong chance of snow into your afternoon. We see this little bit of a mainly dry streak going from about 7 a.m. onward to about, I'd say, 6 p.m. So you can see we're only at about a 10% chance between 1 p.m. and 3 p.m. We're going to stay pretty dry. We may even see the sun come out for a minute or two. It's not going to last long, though, because, again, a whole nother round comes about by the time we get just around that 6 o'clock hour. It's going to move in from the south of us. I want to show you what we see as far as additional snow totals between now, this afternoon, and continuing on into your Wednesday. We've got 9 additional inches possible in Spokane and Deer Park, 12 inches up towards Sandpoint, 13 in Coeur d'Alene, 19 in Wallace, and over Lookout Pass, we're expecting somewhere in the 20-inch range of additional snowfall. You can see towards central Washington, single digits, 8 inches in Wenatchee, 6 in Chelan. So going on with the rest of the day, we're still seeing some double-digit wind speeds out there. We've got 13-mile-per-hour winds in Coeur d'Alene, 17-mile-per-hour winds over the Palouse down in Pullman. We're talking about the possibility of some blowing snow, just like we saw from your Friday into your Saturday. Same situation could be the case going into this morning. So if you have that light fluffy snow on the ground, even if it's not actively falling, these wind speeds can do a lot to lift that snow up and reduce your visibility. So good idea not only to take it slow because those roads are currently slick, but because you could be seeing additional visibility issues. Here's what we have. A little bit of that dry streak continues into 11 a.m. and then the whole nother round hits us by 7 p.m. Take a look at this. This moves in from the south of us and moves farther up north, and that continues all the way through your Tuesday morning. Here's 4 a.m. on Tuesday. This system lingers all the way over us until 10 a.m. This one doesn't have much of a chance of coming through and passing quickly. It lingers all the way through, and then all the way into your Wednesday, 5 a.m. that whole nother round hits us. So we don't have long where we stay dry, and it looks like those temperatures aren't doing much to help us out either. We may have a small brief period in your Tuesday afternoon where temperatures will rise above that freezing point, but otherwise we're looking at mid-20-degree temperatures this afternoon, and hopefully we'll make our way to the 30s for the rest of the week, which still keeps us pretty below average. Back to you guys.